By the time you need to contact an organization for help, you are probably already frustrated by your problem. But you can eliminate a lot of time and frustration by collecting a few vital pieces of information and describing your problem in the right way. There are several pieces of information that are helpful to provide when asking for help. The first is your contact information. Tell the support person who you are and how to get in touch with you. This is important because the support person will need a way to contact you again if you are accidentally disconnected or the problem requires them to do some research. You should also provide your location in your help request. Not all internet connections allow you to do the same things, so it will be important for the support person to know whether you are at home on your own internet connection, on a laptop using a public connection, or are using a public computer and connection. The third component to provide is your computer or device information if you know it. Sometimes older computers are not capable of the same tasks as newer ones. It will be helpful for the support person to know what brand of computer or device you are using and approximately how old it is. For example, this lesson was written on a 2-year-old Dell Latitude E6420 laptop. Often, you can find this information just by looking on the outside of your computer or device. If you are using a public computer, make sure to tell the support person that's what you are using. You should also tell the support person what operating system you are using on your computer. This can be a little tricky to find if you have never looked for it before. For Windows computers, on the desktop, locate the icon labeled My Computer. Point the mouse at the icon, then click the right mouse button. In the pop-up menu which appears, choose Properties. After a few seconds, the System Control Panel will open. The version of Windows you have installed will be clearly displayed. The process is very similar on Macintosh computers, starting with the Apple menu in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. If you are trying to troubleshoot a problem online, the support person will need to know what browser you are using to view the web page in question. This is because web pages look and act differently depending on what browser you use. Sometimes problems can be solved by using a different browser or browser version. You can find out which browser and version you are using by visiting whatbrowser.org. Many technical problems can be solved easily once support staff have a full understanding of the issue. So when asking for help, it is very important that you describe your problem in enough detail that the person you are working with can recreate it. To do this, you might list the steps you took or the links you clicked right before the problem occurred. It also helps to describe what you are trying to do. If you see any kind of feedback from the website or system you are working in, such as an error message, be sure to tell the support person. If you are not speaking directly with someone, copy that error message into your request for help, or take a screenshot of what you see. Do this by hitting the print screen key on your keyboard and pasting the image into your email. You can take screenshots of your mobile device screens, but it usually requires a few more steps or downloading a screenshot application. In some cases, the support person you are working with will be able to use this combination of information to recreate your problem, determine the solution, and tell you how to solve it. Occasionally, they will need more information than what has been outlined in this video. But by providing as much information as you can up front, you are likely saving yourself time and effort while solving your problem.